Hi, today we are going to learn the different parts of the head. Okay, so let's start with the hair. Buhok, buhok. The ears, galunggan, dalunggan. But in Cebu, you're going to pronounce it dungan. You're going to drop the L. Okay. The eyes, mata, mata. Forehead, agtang. Gasinaw man ang imong agtang oy. The lips, ngabil. And then the teeth, unto or tango. Unto, tango. The tongue, dila, dila. And then the whole part, the mouth, is what we call ba-ba. Ba-ba. The face,
Duha kay ang baba.
the face is naong. The face is naong. And then the chin is what we call sulang. Sulang. Okay? This one is what we call kilay. Kilay. I hope you learned something this time. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.